Pol Tarrés began riding a motorcycle as a child. Later, he went on to compete in the trial world scene, where he won multiple titles. Tarrés was born in Rellinars, Barcelona, in 1993. He signed a worldwide deal with Yamaha Europe to race in the Hard Enduros and Super Enduro World Championships, as well as be an ambassador for the Tenor 700 across the world. Yamaha isn't really into the extreme enduro scene, which is why they wanted someone to race in it to get the brand involved. He'll be riding an enduro version Yamaha YZ250. If Yamaha believes he requires more power, they will bore it to 300cc, but Tarrés believes that 250 is enough for now. Pol Tarrés gained popularity on social media after posting awesome video clips, in which he demonstrated various enduro tricks and established himself as a true showman. We can say that he is an excellent expert rider and that he enjoys playing with the enduro motorcycle, which he relates as a toy for him. He has the same technique as Graham Jarvis, who became the most famous enduro rider for his difficult and almost impossible to do tricks. Both are excellent racers, and we wish them the best of luck in their upcoming races. Unfortunately, Pol Tarrés did not prioritize extreme enduro results last season. Since becoming a Yamaha ambassador, his goal has been to demonstrate that riding extreme enduro with the Tenor 700 is possible. That motorcycle is much heavier than traditional enduro motorcycle, but Pol Tarrés demonstrated to the entire world what this motorcycle is capable, and that anything is possible with Tenor 700. We can't wait for him to return to extreme enduro. We're expecting big things. Enjoy the rest of the video, because you're about to see some crazy tricks that only a few people in the world can do, and Pol Tarrés is one of them.